Hello, and I welcome you all to today's session of Editorial Explain in Rice IAS YouTube channel. My name is Devabatu Shaha, and today I am going to discuss, or I would say, we are going to discuss on the title, The Hold on AI. Yes, we have somewhere covered previously 2 to 3 particular topics on AI, but this topic is somewhere one step ahead of all those topics, all those articles, I would say, and all those videos. Why? Because in this article we are going to discuss about the UN's idea on AI, what are its challenges for the world, and specifically what are the challenges for India. This is special about this article so that if any dimension is being asked in the mains question, you can answer all those aspect dimension. Titled A Hold on AI, same but on a elaborative stand, balancing innovation, regulation, and global equity. Let's then see a model UPSC question on this. The question is, artificial intelligence has the potential to transform economies and societies, but it is rapid advancement of also its rapid advancement also poses significant governance, ethical, and security challenges. Examine the major challenges associated with AI and suggest measures for building a responsible and inclusive AI governance framework. 15 marks. Now, once we have the question framework in mind, now we can better understand the topic. The first would be the why in the news, like every day. UN's preliminary report on independent international scientific panel on AI calls for a global AI governance, highlighting the global North Block and South AI divide. We have multiple times said in multiple forums, we means India, that there is a major lacuna in that, in the AI governance. For that, there was a Delhi summit held this year. Still, UN says that there is a major lacuna in global AI governance. The risks of unregulated AI. Now, once the why in context and introduction is sorted, let's now see categorically why AI actually matters, and we would see it under the multiple heads. First, if we see under scientific advancement, we would see drug discovery, climate modeling, space exploration, and material sciences. Under all these heads, we can use AI for this or that. And this is where the previous lectures are helpful. Because in the previous lecture, we have somewhere linked how AI will particularly help in scientific advancement, especially in drug discovery, be it in climate modeling, be it in space exploration, be it in material science. I'm not going to explain it the same way I have done in the previous videos, but I am taking this video, as I have already said, onto a different level. Next, it is also used in better governance. We see public service delivery in place where we get to also see predictive governance through AI. We also see AI has a role to play in smart cities, digital public infrastructure also. For economic growth, we see it helps in productivity. It also helps in establishing new industries, creates AI job, and innovation-led economy has been done. And for social development, we see precision agriculture can be done with AI. Yes, it can be done. The personalized education can also be ensured, a decentralization of education system. We see healthcare diagnostic through AI. We also see disaster prediction through model AIs. Now, once we have seen its importance or significance, now see the major challenges in global ideas through UN's lenses. The first, as the context only said, there is a global AI divide. We see AI capabilities remain concentrated in developed nation, widening technology inequality and creating digital dependence. The next is concentration of AI power. We see few big tech firms dominate the frontier, reducing competition, transparency, and accountability, UN categorically mentions. There is weak AI governance in place, that is also been mentioned in the report. We see rapid AI innovation outpace the legal and institutional framework in place, creating a regulatory uncertainty in the system. The next is the, all those things is leading to threat to democracy and society. Because of unregulated AI, we get to see rise of deepfakes, misinformation, and algorithm manipulation, which undermines the election trust and social cohesion in place. Next, when the democracy and the society at large is at stake, we get to see personal ethics or personal liberties also at stake in case of privacy, ethics, and economic risk. Mass data collection, be it algorithm biasness, be it surveillance or automation, somewhere raises the concern over the rights of the citizen, the job of the citizen, and overall to ensure inequality we get to see to ensure equality we get to see rise in inequality because of this lacuna or vacuum of AI governance. And the last is we get to see not only society, the nation at large is at stake through cybersecurity and national security. AI somewhere strengthens cyber attacks and increases strategic dependency on foreign AI infrastructure. Now, these were the somewhere the global challenges, but mind it, India's challenges are same, but add-ons to it. Like India is for say technologically dependent for AI. India is continuously reliant is somewhere dependent for foreign AI models. Chips and cloud infrastructure limit somewhere digital sovereignty. The next is infrastructure deficit in place. We see shortage of GPU also in India, compute capacity, and data center and semiconductor ecosystem. We see regulatory gaps in India also, like in global governance. There is a need for comprehensive AI governance covering ethics, liability, and accountability in place. And at last, we also see there is a talent drain in case of AI also, because migration of skilled AI professional is weakening because of indigenous innovation, or they are somewhere going abroad because of lack of indigenous AI culture. Therefore, we are technologically dependent as well as manpower or brain dependent also. So, what can be the way forwards? We have to write in answer. The way forward can be following: responsible AI governance. How? Through RIGSBEX regulation, through multiple regulatory AI audits, explainable AI, and liability framework for the system. Next, what UN is recommending, we should have a UN-led global AI governance in place, where common AI safety standards, cross-border accountability, and inclusive participation of developing nations should be done. We should categorically address bridge the divide between global north and south in form of technology transfer till they are technologically, let's first say, not dependent on others, they are technologically sufficient. We must have affordable compute infrastructure in place for those low income groups country. We should somewhere inculcate capacity building and should also inculcate open source AI so that all those countries who are in need can use those AI. The next would be strengthens India's AI ecosystem, where India's AI mission, indigenous foundation model, and semiconductor manufacturing and national computing infrastructure, all these schemes will somewhere lead to ultimately one goal, that is strengthening of AI ecosystem. The next, protect democracy, because increasing tendency or increasing instances of deep fake somewhere is shaking the pillar of democracy. Therefore, detection of deepfakes, platform accountability, and election integrity and digital literacy should be placed in. And last and above all, should there be a ethical AI, where there should be strong data governance wherever the data is being kept. The copyright protection should also be placed so that there is no misuse of data. There should also be public interested AI, not be public against AI, but which should supplement or not supplement but complement humanity. AI research and fair compensation to all creators, whoever is innovating on it. Now the conclusion. AI should remain a tool for human progress, not a source of inequality, insecurity, and unchecked corporate powers. Responsible, inclusive, and human centric governance is the key to harnessing its full potential. Now, read this question again. Artificial intelligence has the potential to transform economies and societies, but its rapid advancement also poses significant governance, ethical, and security challenges. Ethical, the major challenges associated with AI, and suggest measures for building the responsible and inclusive AI governance. I hope after this session or at this lecture, at the end of this lecture, now you are more aware or more better well equipped to handle this question. I would also request you to write this question on your behalf and submit us or send your answer copy so that we can evaluate it at RISE IAS website. And the next thing would be, if you are wondering from where you can get this free PDF from, you can get this free PDF from RISE IAS website. That was all from today's session. I hope this session was helpful for your preparation, and I hope that you are preparing well. Thank you once again.